Let's play golf. Come along, hit the ball and sing a song. Peppa plays and George too, learning colors just for you. Start game! Peppa sees a mini golf ground. Soccer balls are all around. Let's play and learn today. Peppa shouts, hip hip hooray! Red ball sagging. Pick the hammer, tap tap tap. Hit the red ball, clap clap clap. Rolling fast into the hole. Red is bright, that's our goal. Blue ball, now the blue ball comes in line. Tap it gently, you'll do fine. Rolling smooth and going far. Blue like sky and shining star. Yellow ball is next to play. Tap and send it on its way. Like the sun so big and bright. Yellow makes the day so light. Green ball time. Green ball rolling on the grass. Watch it slowly, watch it pass into the hole. Hooray, we say. Green like trees on a sunny day. Yay! Orange ball. Orange ball goes tap tap now. Rolling fast. Wow, wow, wow! Like a fruit so sweet and round. Orange color all around. Purple ball. Purple ball is fun to see. Tap it once. 1, 2, 3. Rolling in so smooth and cool. Purple is a royal rule. Multicolor funny. So many balls in every shade. Fun mini golf game we played. Peppa laughs and jumps with cheer. Colors are so fun to hear. George joins. George comes with a happy smile. Hits a pink ball